What's up, YouTube? Pacam's coming at you. Just got done modding my Pacman Arcade 1-up. Pretty satisfied with it. So what I did was, it's 77 games, so 77 in 1, and it's just all Pacman games, of course, because I love playing Pacman. So it's just all Pacman. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and get this started. As you can see, I added the LED buttons. The buttons was white. I changed it to yellow, of course, with a yellow joystick. On the side, I got a red button on the right, red button on the left. One button is select, the other button is start. Go ahead and show you this. Now, this is just a theme called Mario Blue. Go through. I'll select it so you can see. We got Game Boy. All the Pac-Mans for Game Boy. Game Boy Advance. Game Boy Color. Arcade. Sega Master. Sega Mega. NES. PlayStation. Super Nintendo. Atari, Lynx, and then more arcade. So I'll go through and just show you that they work, of course. This is the arcade version. Get it started. Excuse me. So there we go. So this is the arcade, so you have to press select to add credits. You see it's adding the credits. So I got 10 credits added. Then come over here and press start. And then there we go. I'm gonna sit this down. Play that a little bit. And again, this is the midway arcade version of Pacman. So that's that. That's midway. I'm gonna go ahead and die. Sit this down. Got a hotkey. Press start, select, and then exit out. So we'll go to the Game Boy. Again, it seems like multiple, but E is for Europe, U is for US, and J is for Japan. So all the Pacman versions are on here. Let this load. This Pacman for Game Boy. Up, down. Press start on the side to start the game. There we go. And the screen slides with you as you move, as you can see. And since this is for a gaming system, you press start and it pause. So it's pause. I'm pressing start. I'm gonna unpause it. And then there we go, we're back at it. Again, this is a Pacman Arcade 1-up, 77 in 1. All Pacman games. That's just my preference, my style. I'm going to be doing more in the future. Again, hotkey. Press start, select, exit out. Let's scroll. Let's do Nintendo. We'll do Miss Pacman. Press start. It's loading up. Sorry for the bad lighting. As you see, Miss Pacman. Now the only thing I haven't got set up yet is to play 2 players. So it's only going 1 player. As you notice, this screen is a little bit smaller. I don't know why, but as long as the game works, I'm cool with it. No problem with me. So yeah, and then also what I've done, I'm gonna go ahead and let that go. Pause it. See, it says pause. It's pause. Also, what I've done right here, bad lighting, you can see is a volume key. I'm gonna unpause it and then let you see this volume key. So it's all the way down. You can't hear nothing. Now it's turned all the way up. That volume key addition is a good thing because the normal volume that was on there was too loud. You have off, medium, and loud. So this one you can turn it and adjust it to how you want it to be. Again, I'm gonna sit this down. Sit this down. Hotkey, start select. Exit out. Go back. Go to the menu. Select this. I'm gonna change that Mario that you see in the back. I'll change it to this right here. Let it wait. Exit out. Then there we go. We got Super Nintendo Mini for the layout. So it'll just give you a list of the games, and it'll show you how many games is available for that system. So press menu again. I'm gonna change it one more time, then I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Try Zoid. Again, sorry for the lighting. Pretty sure when I upload it'll be better. Exit out. Here we go. Nice layout. It's showing Atari, so it's showing you what games you have available. 7 games, and then of course it's Pac-Man. So all these are going to show Pac-Man at the bottom. Oh, that showed Donkey Kong. Maybe not. But yeah, hit the menu again. Change this layout. I'm on Zoid. We'll say Pixel. Excuse me. And here's Pixel. I mean, it's pretty basic, but it's like the retro. So yeah, this is my arcade 1-up Pac-Man mod. As I said, it's nothing but Pac-Man. I'm running 77 games on there. Pac-Man for every system pretty much, or the system that I liked. So like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.